The SOLIDWORKS Cloud Services enables us to release files from within the SOLIDWORKS interface. Let's look at how we release files using the built-in lifecycle tools. First, ensure you're logged into the 3DEXPERIENCE platform through the 3DEXPERIENCE add-in within SOLIDWORKS. Here we have a drawing and its reference part open. These have both been saved to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform in the collaborative space training. To release a part, assembly or drawing, select the desired component from within the My Session window and click on the Maturity button at the bottom of the task pane. This command can also be found in the menu when right-clicking on a component in the My Session window. Either way, we'll see the lifecycle pop up and we can click Release. Note that this will not automatically move reference models through the lifecycle, as only the file selected is affected. To release multiple files at once, we can Control or Shift select them. Clicking the Maturity command when you select multiple files in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform looks a little different. With multiple files selected, the lifecycle states are contained within a drop-down, where we can select the appropriate state, released in this case, and click OK to progress the maturity of all the selected files. You'll only be able to use this option if you are a leader in the collaborative space where these files are stored. In this case, the collaborative space is called Training. Once we release these files, we can create new revisions from within SOLIDWORKS. Before creating new revisions, we recommend every SOLIDWORKS user who uses the 3DEXPERIENCE platform turns on the setting that replaces the current revision automatically when creating a new revision. This will also lock the file to you after revisioning, so you can start working on the latest revision. Head to the Tools tab in the My Session window and click on the Options cog. Ensure that the option to replace current revision automatically when creating a new revision is turned on. With the setting now on, we'll Control select both these files, right-click and choose the New Revision command. The dialog box that pops up displays the current and new revision as well as the maturity state of the files. Comments can be added on each revision at this point. We'll click Revise. A revision of both of these files is created on the cloud in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. As we turned on the setting to automatically replace the current revision with the new revision, that new revision is pulled down into your local SOLIDWORKS session. The revision B is also automatically put into the in-work state and is locked to you as well, so that you can start immediately making the changes. Once you're comfortable with releasing and revisioning inside SOLIDWORKS, check out our more advanced tutorials to learn how to revision with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and begin to automate the process with approval routes and change executions. For more information on using the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and collaborative spaces, check out our other videos.